Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Live Well with Coach P. And today it's another DIY video and we're making a jam-packed, healthy, nutritious jam. Get it? Jam-packed. There's no added sugar. Guys, there are very, very simple ingredients in here. And the best part is it's good for your gut. So let's jump right in. For this recipe, guys, you're going to need dried prunes, dried dates, pink Himalayan sea salt, and a lemon. Then what you're going to do next, guys, I want you guys to heat up some water because you have to rehydrate the prunes and the dates, and you have to do that for at least 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
After 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead, grab another container and pour off that liquid because we're going to use that same liquid to go ahead and blend up our jam so it's nice and smooth. Once you've poured off the water, your dates and prunes should be soft to the touch, just like this. Then you know you're right on track. And then we're going to add all of our ingredients to the blender. You're going to add your dates and prunes, your lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and of course that liquid. And then of course add it to the blender and you're going to blend until smooth. And this is the final product. Now guys, I know it's not the most appealing. I know it looks like poop, but that's okay because it's good for your gut. So, you know, we're onto something here. But guys, as you can see here, I do have a little bit of bits in here because like I said earlier, I like my jam a little bit not too smooth, but still a little bit of bits that I can actually, get a little bite out of. But if this is a little bit still too chunky for you, go ahead and add some more liquid and blend again. So once you've gotten your jam to the liking and consistency, guys, you're going to go ahead and grab any airtight container to store your jam in. It'll last for at least about a week in the fridge. And guess what? I have a couple ideas of a list of things that you can actually do with your jam right now. Number 1, use it as a base for your energy balls or bars. Number 2, use it as a sweetener for your smoothies. Now, just a little pointer here, guys. If you're using dark colored smoothies like a green smoothie or a berry shake, because you're probably going to be using blueberries or blackberries, this works out perfectly for that because as you guys know, it's a darker colored jam and it's going to darken anything else you add to it, especially depending on how much you use as a sweetener. So just be mindful of that. And the same thing goes for number 3. If you're making a plant-based milk, if you're using like a plain white plant-based milk, like what I did in my DIY calcium milk, then you definitely may want to use a little bit as a sweetener because it's going to darken anything. But if you're making like a chocolate plant-based milk, then that's perfect. So therefore it will blend really, really well with the jam. Number 4, if you're making ice pops and you want a nice natural sweetener, that's a good idea. Again, just be mindful of the color. Number 5, spreading it on some toast or biscuits. Number 6, you can also use it as a sweetener for stew. I know what you're thinking. Why would you put jam in your stew? You'd be surprised, guys. To take that lentil stew up to another level, definitely give it a try. Number 7, mixing it into your yogurt. Number 8 is using it as an accompaniment on a cheese board. So maybe you're doing, an event for friends or family or having some guests over. Put the jam on there as a nice little side. And number 9, using it as a filling in crepes or pastries. And then number 10, mixing it into your oatmeal. So those are 10 ways, guys, you can use your jam, and there are tons of other ways, but we'd probably be here forever, amen, if I did that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, guys, and leave your comments below to let me know how this jam worked out for you so I can see what's happening with you guys. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that subscribe button and notification bell so you can know when I'm releasing a new video. And if you're looking for more DIY videos like this, definitely look at my cards below so that you can see what other DIY videos I have on board here. That's it for me, guys. Until next week, bye-bye.